Money manifestation success. Before we get started, if you'd like a free manifestation program that has helped over 10,000 people to help you manifest anything you desire, click the link in the description below. Money manifestation success. The following true story illustrates what manifestation isn't and what you can do to avoid certain attitudes to increase your manifestation success and make your dreams come true. Observe how a guy prayed the whole year without a fail but didn't get his dream manifested, and how the problem got solved. This guy we shall call Paul didn't keep any money in his hands even in times when he got plenty of it. By the way, he too had no clue to where the money was going. Until a time he was just barely surviving financially, so he got the idea to manifest more money in his life. Said and done. He got into the habit of praying to God to let him win the lottery. But days, then weeks, and finally months went by and Paul never ever won the lottery. After a year of such misery, he decided to talk to God. In that night he went to bed as upset as can be. The dream was as real as reality itself can be. He could talk to the Almighty about his wasted prayers and what he did wrong because his lottery millions didn't come his way as he specifically asked for. A mighty cloud appeared in the sky and a wonderful voice gave him a surprising reply. It said, "Paul, you never bought a lottery ticket, so how are the millions supposed to come your way?" Paul was very surprised. Then he said, "But you bloody well know I haven't got any money to buy an expensive lottery ticket." The voice then graciously reminded him that they even sent him the money for the ticket. Paul scratched his head and finally he said, "Ah. You mean that dirty $20 bill I found on the street 11 months ago?" "Yes. Paul, that very bill." Paul answered, "Yes, but I had to have that Cuban cigar. For once in days I could afford it." Paul had come a long way since he first experienced his strange dream. I don't know what else he heard the voice saying, but it changed him enough to save some money he used to spend in things he didn't even need so he could feel special, and he got some coaching until he found a niche he mastered greatly. Now he is making more money than he can possibly spend in 2 lifetimes. Which takes us to the important conclusion of helping your dreams manifest by seizing the opportunities that show up on your path. All these experiences taught me one important secret to immense success: actively look for ways to invest your money in things and learnings that teach you a lot of useful things, one of the most important being the skill to make money on demand. To unleash your mind power and learn how to turn your weaknesses into strengths, your emotional distress into a creative and unstoppable manifestation force, get the free special report where you will discover a powerful technique that will boost your success and create streams of income in your life. Become financially free and totally independent. Are you struggling to manifest the things you want in life? You know you want to live a positively abundant life, but there's one problem. It's hard. That is, until now. Today, I have a special free gift for you. It's a free manifestation program. Just click the link in the description below. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel if you're new, and get your free manifestation program by clicking the link in the description below.